Have you ever heard of the SAT test that nobody managed to solve correctly? To begin with, the SAT is a test that is widely used for college admissions in the United States. The half of the test is about language skills, whereas the other half is about mathematics. In the distant 1982, there was a mathematical problem that nobody solved correctly. In that problem, there were two circles, a red circle placed on the left called A, and a blue circle placed on the right called B. The only information given at the problem was the proportion of the radius of the two circles. Let's say that the radius of B is r. And let's say that the radius of circle A is r prime. Now, the only thing that we know is the following equivalency, that r prime equals to 3 times r. The question of the problem was the following: after how many revolutions will the center of circle A return to its starting position depicted on the shape? A in 3 divided by 2 revolutions, B in 3 revolutions, C in 6 revolutions, D in 9 divided by 2 revolutions, E in 9 revolutions. Take your time. Think clearly and pause the video if you need more time, and remember, it's not as obvious as you think. The time is over. It's high time we solved the problem. So, the first thing you have to take in account in this problem is the proportion of the radius of the two circles. Given the equivalency on the left, you apply the equation of the circumference of a circle, which tells us that the circumference is equal to 2 times pi multiplied by the radius of the circle. Let's name this equivalence A, as it stands for the circumference of circle A. Let's create another equivalence B, in which the circumference is equal to 2 pi multiplied by 3r, given that the radius of B is 3 times the radius of A. In other words, the circumference of B is equal to 6 pi r. It seems to you obvious that the C of B is 3 times the C of A, and that therefore, it makes 3 revolutions. Would you bet your money that this statement is correct? Bad for you. You lost. Have you ever thought during the video why nobody managed to solve the problem? They all failed because none of these answers are correct, and the commission of the SAT later realized that they have given wrong answers. So, the correct answer is exactly 4 revolutions. That happens because except the first, the second and the third revolution, the circle itself makes a complete revolution around B's center. That makes up to 4 revolutions, which is the correct answer. If you solved it correctly, write it on comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel to watch similar videos. See you in my next video. Goodbye.